The Porsche 992 GT3 RS is one of the beautiful cars ever made. In only 3.2 seconds, this car reaches the 100 kilometers per hour. It has a 64-liter boxer engine and performs 525 horsepower on the street, which is fucking insane.
It takes some finesse. I seen you finesse. When you come through, I can tell that it isn't you. So baby, bring it in closely.
How much was it?
They gave it to me.
So you're not gonna tell me how much was it?
Okay, they gave it to me.
I don't believe you.
Why?
How are they gonna give you something like that?
Ladies and gentlemen,
Only
described him as one of the most dangerous men on the face of the earth.